Hi, I'm Colin with Blue Marble Consulting, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how Commercial Project Management by SAP can help a project manager handle resource requirements in a professional services scenario. We'll be taking a look at multiple project monitoring, different views associated with different projects, and then finally going over financial planning. So to begin, we'll take a look at the cross-project view. And from our dashboard here in NetWeaver, we can go to our overview dropdown, take a look at the cross-project view, and this will allow us to take a look at all of our different projects going on and information associated with those different projects. For this project right here, we can right-click on this and go to View Details. And this will just bring up that particular project, and we can go to this I for more information on this organization associated with the project, and then view organization details. We can also view team details, so the different team members associated with this particular project. We can pull up the different teams associated with this. Right now we're just looking at the team structure, but we can also take a look at the individual team members all associated with this project as well. Now back to our cross-project view, we'll go back and open up this project. And we'll open up the financial plan for an aspect in this project. So we'll go to our financial plan icon over here. And you can see down at the bottom, we have a few different plans. We'll go to this bid estimate one right here and just click on this. And what we can do is open this plan and then export all of this information into Excel. So we'll choose a workbook to export this to. We'll just go ahead and open this. And here we have all of our information from this financial plan, and we can scroll down as well to see that information. We can also go back to our financial plan, and we see that this is linked to a master project. So we can just click on this to go to that master project. And from here we can launch this transaction, CJ20N, and this will bring up the open project transaction. And we can see this project, which is all laid out. Next, we'll take a look at how the resource manager can assign a resource to work on this project. So from our dashboard right here, we can go to this Overview Resource Management dropdown and go to Resource Management. From here, we'll click on this Open Request Role button, and we can enter in an employee or member ID number. And from here, we can enter in a description of the role, location, start and end dates, and other information like that. We can go to this Candidates button right here to enter in more information relative to this particular candidate. Next, we'll take a look at how resources that were assigned to this project can now start recording the time entries in this cross-application timesheets. So back from our dashboard here, we can go to our project overview and then go to timesheet. Maintain times. Then we can enter in the correct data profile and then the personnel number. And we'll hit enter. And from here, it brings us to this transaction where we can enter in amount of hours worked. Now back to our cross-project view, our project manager can review all of these different projects and take a look quickly at the different KPIs associated with these different projects. And we can see alerts associated with these projects as well. So we can see number of issues, billing requests that are overdue, and actuals versus plans quickly from this cross-project view. And again, we can also see these KPIs and trends associated with projects. In addition, we can see other key dates. We can enter in different key dates that we'd like to take a look at. In this example, the only key date that we have is the last time that this was reviewed. So now we'll take a look at how to view the forecast for the financial plan. So from here, we can click on our financial plan logo right here to view all of the different plans again in the screen. And we'll click on this second plan right here to take a look at this, and then we can quickly go to this forecast button to view the forecast for this particular financial plan in an Excel format. And then it will ask us which workbook to export this to, and we'll pull this up in Excel. And we can scroll down to view other information related to this as well. Next, we'll take a look at how the sales manager can perform the resource-related billing to create a debit memo request for this particular project. So this will be from the commercial view button over here, and we can choose one of these transactions to launch in the system. We'll go to resource-related billing. We'll enter in a particular sales document, the posting date, and hit enter. And then from here, this will bring up the transaction CIEC3, and this will allow us to create this debit memo request. And we can go ahead and save that, and then we'll get a logo down at the bottom letting us know that this has been saved. And in this scenario, we can change the amount of cash to be billed to this for this billing document. And then we can go ahead and save this. And so that's how you create that debit memo request. So CPM also allows detailed tracking and financial planning capabilities, and all of these are integrated with their reporting capabilities. And part of this is the ability to log issues associated with any particular project. And we can see over here that we're on this Issues and Changes tab, and we can take a look at our issues and create a new one associated with this project. So we can just go ahead and create a general issue. And we could say in this instance that there's a resource shortage. We can list a priority and then a description down at the bottom. We can also add in different dates associated with this issue, different objects and employees or business partners associated with this. And then we can put in a proposed solution as well as an impact. And we go ahead and save that after we enter those in. And then we can also copy this and reference this in the future. So in this video, I went over how CPM can help a project manager handle resource requirements. And we took a look at multiple project monitoring, different views associated with that, and then as well as part of the financial planning associated with this application. If you'd like more information on how Blue Marble Consulting can implement this solution for you, please visit our website at simple-sap.com.